Could Fujifilm be skipping the X-Pro4 entirely and going straight to an X-Pro5? It seems like a bold move, but multiple leaks and insider reports suggest this could be exactly what's happening. Rather than a minor refresh, the X-Pro5 looks to be a major reboot of Fujifilm's iconic rangefinder line, aimed at delivering a meaningful upgrade rather than a small spec bump. Early 2026 is the rumored release window, indicating a deliberate timeline that allows Fujifilm to incorporate substantial hardware improvements. This isn't about rebranding for the sake of a number, it's about redefining what the X-Pro line can offer photographers who demand performance and discretion in equal measure. The most exciting rumor centers around a new X-Trans sensor, possibly in the 40-megapixel range, paired with a faster processor derived from Fujifilm's higher-end cameras. This combination could provide significant improvements in readout speed, dynamic range, and low-light performance. High-resolution shooters should benefit from cleaner, sharper images with less noise and more detail, while maintaining the tactile shooting experience the X-Pro series is known for. But the potential addition of in-body image stabilization could be the real game-changer. Incorporating IBIS into a rangefinder-style body is no small engineering challenge, but if successful, it could allow photographers to shoot at lower shutter speeds, use longer lenses more effectively, and achieve handheld video or stills in low-light situations without extra support. The hybrid viewfinder, a signature feature of the X-Pro series, appears to be getting careful upgrades rather than a complete redesign. Reports suggest faster EVF refresh rates, smoother transitions between optical and electronic views, and improved parallax correction for the OVF mode. Ergonomics are expected to be refined as well, with a more secure grip, subtle button layout tweaks, and possibly a sturdier magnesium chassis with improved weather sealing. USB-C power delivery is rumored to make longer shoots more convenient, while maintaining the tactile, distraction-free experience that has defined the X-Pro series for years. The challenge for Fujifilm will be modernizing the internals without compromising the series' personality, which relies on simplicity and focus. Some enthusiasts worry that the X-Pro line has been deprioritized, with Fujifilm investing more heavily in the X, T, and X, H lines. However, the rumors suggest the extended development time may indicate that the X-Pro5 will be a true flagship, delivering a combination of features that justify skipping the X-Pro4. If the X-Pro5 delivers a 40-megapixel X-Trans sensor, IBIS, and an upgraded hybrid viewfinder, it could be transformative for street photographers, travel shooters, and documentary photographers who require discretion, speed, and reliability. Even purists who love the ritual of the X-Pro series may find the balance between tradition and innovation compelling. Meanwhile, Fujifilm's other APS-C flagship, the X-T6, is generating buzz for its rumored performance upgrades. Leaks suggest a 5th-generation X-Trans sensor, possibly 45 megapixels or higher, paired with a faster processor for improved readout speeds. This combination would allow for cleaner high-ISO images, wider dynamic range, and faster burst rates without overheating. For photographers and videographers alike, this could translate to fewer limitations on continuous shooting and improved low-light usability, making previously challenging scenarios much more manageable. Autofocus has historically been a weak point for Fujifilm, but the X-T6 is rumored to include a hybrid autofocus system enhanced with AI and deep learning. Early information suggests improvements in eye detection, more reliable tracking for animals and vehicles, and better performance under difficult lighting conditions. When combined with in-body image stabilization, reportedly rated up to 7 stops, this could make handheld shooting far more practical for both photography and video. Sports shooters, event photographers, and hybrid content creators could all benefit from a system that maintains consistent focus without external support. Video capabilities are another area where Fujifilm appears to be making significant strides. Leaks indicate support for 6.2K 2K capture, internal 10-bit 4:2:2 recording, and 4K at 60 frames per second, with potential 4K 120p slow-motion recording. Improved thermal management may allow for extended recording sessions without interruption, while internal ProRes support and dual codec options could provide a professional-level workflow without external recorders. Combined with better USB-C power handling and faster battery charging, the X-T6 could become a genuinely versatile hybrid tool, capable of professional results in a compact, manageable body. Design improvements seem carefully considered as well. The X-T6 may feature a fully articulating 3.2-inch touchscreen, ideal for vloggers or gimbal users, and a higher resolution electronic viewfinder optimized for bright outdoor conditions. The magnesium alloy shell and enhanced weather sealing would increase durability, while a slightly denser grip could help balance larger lenses. Dual card slots, including support for faster formats like CF Express Type B or SD Express, would provide redundancy for critical work, particularly for professionals shooting high-resolution stills or demanding video projects. Battery life is rumored to improve significantly, with higher shot counts per charge and faster USB-C charging making extended shoots less stressful. Pricing rumors suggest the X-T6 will fall between $1,600 and $1,800, making it competitive against similar APS-C cameras while retaining Fujifilm's renowned color science and handling. Hybrid creators looking for reliable autofocus, strong video capabilities, and a compact, weather-sealed design may find this camera particularly compelling. Even if only a portion of the rumored upgrades materialize, advanced X-Trans sensor, AI-assisted autofocus, IBIS, and high-end video specs, the X-T6 could be one of Fujifilm's most important APS-C releases in recent years. Taken together, the X-Pro5 and X-T6 represent Fujifilm's strategy of balancing tradition with innovation. The X-Pro5 aims to modernize a beloved rangefinder line, providing photographers with discretion and advanced technical performance. The X-T6, meanwhile, looks to deliver a versatile hybrid tool for those needing both high-quality stills and professional-grade video. For users, deciding between the two will depend on workflow preferences, form factor priorities, and specific creative goals. Both cameras, however, underscore Fujifilm's intent to provide meaningful, well-thought-out upgrades rather than incremental updates. Overall, these leaks point to a thoughtful evolution for Fujifilm's APS-C lineup. Early 2026 could bring exciting announcements, with both cameras expected to address long-standing requests, faster sensors, improved processing, AI-enhanced autofocus, IBIS, and ergonomics refinements. Even for longtime Fujifilm enthusiasts, these updates could represent a significant step forward, preserving the tactile, distraction-free shooting experience while adding modern performance features essential for today's creative work. In the end, the X-Pro5 and X-T6 appear to be designed with purpose. The X-Pro5 could redefine expectations for a flagship APS-C rangefinder, while the X-T6 seems poised to satisfy hybrid shooters who need both stills and video capabilities in a single, compact body. Both cameras are rumored to offer improved low-light performance, more reliable autofocus, and superior video tools, combining Fujifilm's signature color science with modern internals. Early hands-on reviews, certifications, and official announcements will ultimately confirm the details, but if the leaks are accurate, these models may become benchmarks for APS-C photography and hybrid shooting in the coming year. For photographers deciding between the two, the question is simple: do you prioritize the flagship rangefinder experience of the X-Pro5, or the versatile, hybrid-oriented X-T6? Both appear to deliver substantial upgrades while remaining faithful to Fujifilm's design philosophy. Either way, these cameras are shaping up to expand creative possibilities, offering performance, reliability, and usability in a form factor that has long made Fujifilm stand out in the APS-C segment. The combination of retro-inspired design and state-of-the-art internal features may finally give users the best of both worlds: classic control and modern performance.